Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Git. First let me uh, go to my GitHub repository. I didn't sign in, so click on the sign in here on the top right. I am told that access to this site has been restricted. I don't know why. So let's open Google Chrome. I often use Google Chrome for searching for information, but now I switch to Edge because Chrome consumes a lot of RAM, a lot of memory. So as you can see, I have no tab here, but it has consumed 300 megabytes. So let's try GitHub. I think that it's easy to you to uh, create a create an account and create a new repository. So let me create a new repository. We'll name it as Git uh, GitHub Git practice. After that, I won't give any description, and visibility is public. Add readme or not? No, I don't want to add readme, and I don't want to add git ignore or license. So click on the green button, create repository. So now we have a remote repository. Next, I'm going to clone it into my local machine. It says something here that you can create a repository in your local machine and then remote add origin. This URL, well, think of it as make a connection, is making a connection between the remote repository and your local machine. So I won't do that. I will clone it instead of remote add origin, but I also advise you to know how to connect to a remote repository via the remote add command. So I will copy this URL and in my Windows machine, right click, show more option, open Git Bash here, git. I will use git clone and paste the URL, hit enter. It's going to clone the git repository here. It telling me that warning, you appear to have cloned an empty repository. Yes, I clone an empty repository, but you can go to this repository and click on view, show, and click on hidden items, so you can see a .git folder here. This folder contains a lot of information to track what you did on inside this folder. So let me go to this folder, use ls, use the ls command to list all the files, and cd git and type tab. It has some autocomplete features to do it for you. I will type ls now. You can see that I am in this folder and I won't see any .git file here, so I am going to ls and -a. Here it will show the hidden file. So now we will draw a picture for you that we have a remote repository here, and we have downloaded it to our local repository. So now I will change the content of the folder. So I will create a file, let's say text, say message.txt, and I will edit it. No, it must be a text file, so I will remove it. rm-rf, and the folder name. We'll create a file, greetings, like greeting.txt, and I can edit it. It's a text file, so say hello, xin chào, konnichiwa, and then when you type git status, you can see that there is one untracked file, so I can add it into an unstaged state. Before I commit, I want to save it into an unstaged on the stage, and then commit it. To do it, I will add git add and the file name greetings. I will type git status again. Here you can see that this file is ready to be committed, and then I will type git commit -m and a message add greetings. Then you can check your commit with the git log command. Here you can see that at local we have a commit with a message add greetings. So just like you have a commit here, add greetings. So now you can push your commit to the remote. With the git push origin main, let's say main. So now at the remote repository you have a greeting file. So what happened if the remote has some changes? Let's say at that point at local and remote has the commit add greeting. Then remote has some commit remove greetings, something like that. So I'm going to edit this file. Well, I will delete this line and commit the change. Give a commit message here, and I want to commit directly to the main branch. Hit commit changes. So now the greeting file is updated, but at your local machine it won't change. Let me check it. It won't change. Here you see. So how can I take the latest change from the remote? I can do it by the command git pull. First we clone git clone and git push to update the to push your changes to the remote repository, and then git pull to update your local machine. Then I'm going to type show more option and open git bash here, git pull origin main. It's going to get all the changes from the remote, so I can check this file again. Here you can see that it only has 2 lines. So another scenario is that in the remote repository you have a commit, and in the local repository you also has another commit. So when you push to the remote, what happens? Yeah, right. I'm going to type something strange here, and on my remote repository I'm going to type some b here and commit changes. I will also commit changes in my local machine. Git add dot git commit dot m a. Then you know that at the remote and at the local machine I have different contents, so it may cause something called conflict. So before I push my local information to the remote, I will pull it to my local. So this is also the right workflow with pull origin main. So it will show me some message here. I am told that conflict contain much conflict in greetings.txt, out too much failed, fix conflicts and then commit the result. It told me that fix the conflicts and commit the result, and the conflicts is in the greetings.txt file. Let me go to this file. Well, now it has some signature here. It specifies that I have something to solve. So I will remove this line it was generated by Git, and I want to remain these two lines. Okay, click save, and then git status, then git add, git commit dot m resolve conflict. Here I have a resolve conflict, and then I can push it to the remote. So now I will push it. Git push origin main. Well, it has no conflict here. So I can hit refresh button and see what happened here. I have a new commit that is resolve conflict. So you can work well with this workflow. First, you clone, git clone a repository, then you code and change, then well, actually I have a another another topics like git branch. Then you must branch to another um, branch instead of the branch main git branch. Then you code and do something, then add the changes, add git commit, and before push it to the remote you need to run the command git pull, and then git push. After that, it go back to the git branch. That you can git checkout to main and pull main, and then go back to git branch. This is the workflow that ensure that you won't have any conflicts. So I think that's enough for today. I hope this video helpful to you, and I also have a recommend that you can buy a great course on Udemy about Git. The course with 4.8 star of rating. So on Udemy, you can buy it. It's very helpful. So now I'm going to end this record. Goodbye. Take care.